Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely awesome Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Here we have an Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. This is a 2021 bike on a 71 plate with just 5,234 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike's in fantastic condition. It comes in the ever popular black and red colour scheme, very popular on the factory model. Single seat there, we have got some pegs there for it as well in the back, but it's got the cowl fitted currently. The red seats in great condition, as you can see all the bodywork in great condition there on the back of the bike. Standard exhaust again, absolutely in superb order. They sound great with the standard exhaust anyway. I know the Acro is really popular on these bikes, but they do sound great with the standard exhaust. That V4 engine really has got some character. The orange or red rear wheel there, looking really good. No dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches in the tyre. Loads of life left on that one there, as you can see. Standard back end. Petrol tank all in great condition as well. No dents or stone chips. And the bar end, lever and the mirror all unmarked. No sign of any drop damage anywhere on the bike. All the fairing, nose cone, all the bodywork there in great condition as well. And that stonking V4 engine there, all in fantastic condition. Of course, loads of power on this one. Great sound. An absolutely brilliant naked superbike, this one. The front wheel, excellent condition as well. And those Öhlins front forks, of course, electronically adjustable. And very fancy indeed. The front tyre, loads of life left in that one as well. And the front mudguard in great condition. Front of the bike's all in good condition as well, as you can see there. That distinctive front end with the sports screen, tinted sports screen fitted there. The left hand side of the bike, that's all in great order as well. As you can see, no marks on the mirror. All the bar end, all the lever and the bodywork here, again, all in great condition as we come down the side of the bike there. Of course, up and down quick shifter, auto blipper on this factory version, along with your Öhlins suspension front and rear. The front wheel on this side, all in good condition. The fork leg, again, in excellent condition. No marks on the frame or the petrol tank on this left hand side. And the seat, all good as well. The back end there in great condition also. Chain sprockets, loads of life left in those, you can see right at the front of the adjusters there. And that lovely swinging arm, all in fantastic condition. No sign of any drop damage on this left hand side either. So the top of the bike, again, it's like the rest of the bike, all in fantastic order really. Petrol tank has got the tank protector there as well. There's a ring for a tank bag there, but we don't have the bag. Colour screen, of course, cruise control, loads of traction control, corner and ABS, everything that you want on a modern superbike. And your Öhlins rear shock, just tucked in there, is in excellent condition. So if you are looking for a really fast super naked motorcycle, look no further than this awesome Aprilia Tuono V4 1100 Factory. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this amazing Aprilia, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. I'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.